Good morning students. You all are welcome to today's online class. How are you students? Are you happy? Shall we start the today's class? All of you take your note and book students. Shall we continue the yesterday's class? Okay. All of you take your note and book students. Let us write the continuation of yesterday's class. Okay. What is the topic now? Consistency and inconsistency of linear equations in two variables. What is meant by linear equation? Do you remember? An equation having only one degree is known as linear equation. So, today we are going to learn consistency and inconsistency of linear equations in two variables. So, let us consider the equation. Consider linear equation in two variables. Say, consider linear equations in two variables. Say, let us consider two linear equations in two variables. Okay, first one is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Let us take equation number 1, as well as a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Equation 2, where this a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are real numbers. Where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are real numbers. So we are going to learn what is consistent, what is inconsistent. Okay, consistent means it has two types of solution. First one is unique solution and infinite number of solutions. Inconsistent means the given equation has no solution. Did you understand, student? Consistent means the given equation has two types of solutions, that is unique solution and infinite number of solution. Okay, inconsistent means the equation has no solution. So, first one, a unique solution. If it has unique solution, what is the condition now? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. When it is consistent. Consistent means it has two types of solution. First one is unique solution. For unique solution, condition is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Second condition, an infinite number of solution. An infinite number of solution. What is the condition for infinite number of solution now? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, this also consistent. If it has consistent, the given equation has two types of solution, that is unique solution and infinite solution. For unique solution, we have the condition a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. And infinite number of solution it has means, what is the condition now? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, a1 by a2 will be equal to b1 by b2, and also b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. And the third one is no solution. No solution. No solution. No solution means the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, and b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So if it is inconsistent, okay, inconsistent. Listen children, consistent means it has two types of solution, unique solution and infinite solution. Unique solution condition is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Infinite solution condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, and which is equal to c1 by c2. For consistent, this both condition. Inconsistent means the system has, means the equation has no solution. The given equation has no solution. So condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This condition you should learn thoroughly. Okay, then only the following sums easily you can do. Let's write the example 3.54. Along with me, write the question. Check whether the following system of equation is consistent or inconsistent, and say how many solutions we can have if it is consistent. What is the question? Check whether the following system of equation is consistent or inconsistent, and say how many solutions we can have if it is consistent. First we have to check it whether consistent or inconsistent. After that, unique solution it has or infinite number of solutions has. Okay, so here 3 questions are given. One by one let us do that. Okay, 3 questions are there. Let us do one by one. What is the first one now? First one is 2x minus 4y is equal to 7, and x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. 2 equations given. Okay, so let us use this one, equation 1, equation 2. One by one let us find out the solution. 3 questions are there. First question, 2x minus 4y equal to 7, x minus 3y equal to minus 2. From here a1, a2 and b1, b2 we have to write it. Okay, so a1 is this coefficient of x value is a1 and a2, coefficient of y value is b1 and b2. Okay, coefficient of x value is a1 and a2, coefficient of y value is b1 and b2, and this constant term is c1 and c2. Okay, let us write a1 value. a1 is equal to, from this first equation, coefficient of x term, that is x near 2 is there, so a1 is equal to 2, and from the second equation x near 1 is there, no value, so we have to consider 1, coefficient of x is 1, so a2 is equal to 1. Then b1, from the first equation coefficient of y term is b1, so b1 is equal to minus 4. with the sign we have to write. And b2 is equal to minus 3. Then C1 equal to this constant term 7 and C2 is equal to minus 2. Let us find out. We have the condition where consistent means unique solution A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Let us check it. Okay, unique solution it has or infinite number of solution it has or no solution. For checking unique solution, we have A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is the condition. So, let us find out first A1 by A2 is equal to A1 is here 2, A2 is 1, 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Let us find out B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is equal to, B1 is minus 4, B2 is minus 3. Minus up and down is there, so can be cancelled. So which is equal to 4 by 3. Compare the A1 by A2 and B1 by B2. Is it same? A1 by A2 is 2, B1 by B2 is 4 by 3. Is it same? Not. Is it? Not equal. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So what type of solution it has? Unique solution. Okay. So what answer can be written? Unique solution. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, the given equation has unique solution. Unique solution. Understood, students? Let's do the question number 2. That is 4x plus y is equal to 3 and 8x plus 2y is equal to 6. Two equations given. Okay. From here, let us write the given equation. 4x plus y is equal to 3 and 8x plus 2y is equal to 6. Here A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 value. Let us write. A1 is equal to 4, A2 is equal to 8. B1 is equal to this y term B1, B2, C1, C2. B1 is equal to y near no value, so we have to consider 1. And B2 is equal to y near coefficient of y we have 2. And C1 equal to these two constant terms, C1 equal to 3 and C2 equal to 6. Understood? So here in these equations having unique solution or infinite solution or no solution, let us find out. Okay. For that, first of all, we have to find out the A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equal to A1 is 4, A2 is 8. Let us cancel 1 4 is 4, 2 4 is 8, which is equal to 1 by 2. Let us find out B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is equal to, B1 is 1, B2 is 2. Is it same? Yes. Isn't it? Then let's move to the C1 by C2. C1 by C2 equal to 3 by 6. We can divide it. If it's possible, we can divide it. So 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. So everything same we got it. Is it? A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 2, as well as B1 by B2 is equal to 1 by 2, as well as C1 by C2 is also 1 by 2. So can we write A1 by A2 is equal to, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, what is the condition here? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2 means it has infinite number of solution. Okay. Therefore, the given equation has infinite number of, this is the condition for infinite number of solution. Okay. So infinite number of solutions. Understood, students? Infinite number of solution. Okay. Let's do the question number 3 here. Third solution. What is the third question now? 4x plus 7 equal to 2y. 2x plus y equal to, 2x plus 9 is equal to y. Okay. What is given? 4x plus 7 equal to 2y 2x plus 9 is equal to y. Let's do that. Let us solve it. First equation is 4x plus 7 equal to 2y. 2x plus 9 is equal to y. Here a1 is equal to 4. a1 is equal to 4, comma, a2 is equal to 2. b1 is equal to this. Always coefficient of y is the b1. Okay. So y near we have 2. And b2 is equal to y near no value. So 1 we have to take. And c1 equal to constant term is given here. Okay. So c1 equal to 7. And c2 is equal to 9. So first of all let us find out a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is equal to 4 by 2. Let us divide it. 1 2 is 2 here. 2 2s are 4, which is equal to 2. Let us find out b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is equal to, what is b1? 2. What is b2? 1, which is equal to 2. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Then let us find out c1 by c2. c1 by c2 equal to 7. c1 is 7. c2 is 9. So what is there? a1 by a2 is equal to 2 and b1 by b2 is equal to 2. This both the same, is it? What about c1 by c2? Different. So what solution we have now? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2. So if the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, the system has no solution. Therefore, the given equations has no solution. Given equations has no solution. No solution. Understood, students? Let's try the next example. Example 3.55. Check the, what is the question now? Check the value of k for which the given system of equations kx plus 2y is equal to 3, comma 2x minus 3y is equal to 1 has a unique solution. What is the question now? Two equations given. We have to check whether this equations has unique solution or not. Okay, let us go. Given linear equations are first equation is kx plus 2y equal to 3, equation number 1, and second equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. Equation number 2. It is in the form of, these two equations are in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay. Do you remember the condition for unique solution? What is the condition for unique solution? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So here a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 value let us write. Here a1 is equal to coefficient of x term, that is k, comma a2 is equal to, in the second equation, coefficient of x 2. Then b1 is equal to coefficient of y term, that is 2, and b2 is equal to, from the second equation, coefficient of y term minus 3. c1 equal to 3 and c2 is equal to 1. For unique solution we have the condition For unique solution, the question is asked to check whether it has unique solution or not. So for unique solution alone, first of all, we have to check. For unique solution, we take condition is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, what is a1 here? K. What is a2 here? 2. K by 2 is not equal to, what is b1? 2. What is b2? Minus 3. Therefore, that is K by 2 is not equal to 2 by minus 3. From here, cross multiply it here. K is, this 2 take here. K is, this 2 let us take here. So, this division when we change the side, it will become multiplication. Not equal 2 into 2 by minus 3. That is, K is not equal to 2 2s are 4 by minus 3. Okay. Here, positive by negative is negative. Is it? So that positive by negative is negative. So it can be right. That is, K is not equal to this minus, we can take it into the numerator. So it can be right minus 4 by 3. Understood, students? For unique solution only they asked to check here. So we checked. Okay. So what are the questions we learned? System has consistency and inconsistency. Is it? So consistency means it has two types of solution. First one is unique solution. Second one is infinite number of solution. And inconsistent means it has no solution. Okay. For unique solution, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. And infinite number of solution, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Then for no solution, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So you have to thoroughly, first you have to learn these three conditions. For unique solution, infinite solution, no solution. What is the condition? You should know. Then only these problems for you easily can learn. Understood, students? So these are the today's question. Learn properly. Thank you, children.